SubhanAllah, we've just come back to the funeral parlour. It's nice and quiet. We've just had a call now. We have 2 deceased on Christmas Day. There's 2 deceased, and I just walked past this wall and I pondered to read the reality of what happens after your funeral. After your funeral, 1 hour after your funeral, the crying subsides and your family goes home and starts to take care of your relatives' food and beverage while your body has gone into the soil. And then 2 hours later, there are those who call your house and make excuses for not being at your funeral, while the others at your house who are supposed to be paying respect to you are talking about politics and sports. 6 hours after your funeral, only your immediate family remains and everyone else returns home and starts planning the next day. 1 day after your funeral, your organs dissolve while the messages and calls from people who don't know you that you are dead continue to arrive on your mobile phone. So your mobile phone keeps going. 3 days after you are deceased, interviews are held with candidates to fill your vacant position at your workplace, while at that time your body begins to swell and foamy liquid comes out of your mouth and nose. So the decomposition of the body begins. 5 days later, not even a week later after your funeral, your daughter and son return to work and your body turns from green to red as your blood begins to rot your organs. 2 weeks later, 2 weeks after your death, your children will meet with a lawyer for property sharing and your nails and teeth begin to fall out. A year later, someone will say, and I hear this all the time, "Wow, is that all? It's like yesterday he died, unbelievable." And then 10 years later, a friend and sees and remembers you in an old photo. All that remains of your body are bones. It takes such a short time to completely forget your existence in this world. Now reconsider the people and events that you are obsessed with today. Do you think it's really worth it? Wow, how real this is, the reality of what happens after your funeral.